Hi there. I am representing WebTrackOfficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. In this video I am going to show you how to build a website using Elementor. I'm going to create a website for a medical equipment company. First, let's look at how the website appears. This is the design of the website. It will be a step-by-step tutorial from purchasing a domain and hosting to designing a logo and building a complete Elementor website, so make sure to watch until the end and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. To get a domain and hosting, you must first locate a reputable company. That is exactly what I intend to do with HostGator. HostGator is a leading provider of secure and affordable web hosting that offers excellent customer service, top-tier uptime, and an array of powerful tools. Now, if you want a free domain with your hosting, check out this video. From the menu, under Hosting, click Shared Hosting. These are the packages for all of your requirements. HostGator has got you covered. Each plan includes unlimited storage and bandwidth, so don't worry about anything. I'm going with the Hatchling plan, but you can choose whatever plan works best for you. Now enter the domain name that you intend to purchase. Good thing it's available. It's selected automatically. Now scroll down. Here I am gonna uncheck the domain privacy, cause SSL certificate is already included with this plan. Oh! Another advantage of using HostGator is that you will receive one domain free with any hosting package. Now under Hosting Plan, I am gonna change the billing cycle to 12 months. Now scroll down and create your account with HostGator. You can sign in if you already has one. I am gonna sign in real quick. My account signed in successfully. Now I just need to fill in my billing info and we're good, so let's add it as well. Under Additional Services, if you don't need anything, simply uncheck the box. Now scroll down to the section where you can see a summary of your order. Simply review it. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus we're getting $102 discount, which is pretty impressive. Now once you have reviewed everything, just agree to their terms by checking the box, and at the bottom click Checkout Now. Perfect. We have successfully purchased the domain and hosting. The appearance may differ if you use a different hosting provider. Now under your domain name, click cPanel. There we can set up our professional email. From bottom right corner, click Allow so cPanel can collect interface analytics. Now click Email Accounts. Now click Create. Now enter the username and password for your email. Click Edit Settings. Under Storage Space, click Unlimited. Now click Create and your professional email will be created. From your cPanel, locate WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Now click Install. Now before installing WordPress, you need to configure some settings. Firstly, my domain is already selected, and the latest version is already chosen. Now below we have two sections to fill: Admin Account and Site Settings. Under Site Settings, enter in your site name and your site description. Now under Admin Account, create credentials so you can log into your WordPress dashboard. Under admin email, I am going to enter the email address I just created. If you created something else you can enter here. Now scroll down and click install and your CMS WordPress will be installed. Let's now design a logo for our website. For that I am going to use Canva. Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool used to create social media graphics, presentations, logos and much more. Now search for a term like healthcare logos, or medical logos, or something like this. I'm going to use this premium logo because I have a membership with Canva. Even if you do not have a membership, there are many logos to choose from. Now let's customize. I am going to delete this logo with black background. Now Canva is a drag and drop graphic design tool, making it easier for new users to get started. First I am going to take this icon and place it above the heading and tagline. Now I am going to move both underneath it. Make it center aligned. Let's change the logo headline text. I am going to make it bigger. Now I am going to change the font. Let's reduce the size so that it only takes up one line of space. Better. Make it center aligned always. Let's now change the tagline font as well. Too much letter spacing, let's adjust it. Now I am going to change the text. Make it center, and we're pretty much done with our logo. Let's set up a name for this template for future reference. And now let's download. Before starting, let's set up our website to coming soon. If you have purchased hosting from HostGator, this feature will automatically be added. From the admin bar, click Site Status. Now just simply enable the Coming Soon option, and it will show the standard HostGator Coming Soon page. Now, certain plugins that you don't need are automatically installed when you first install WordPress. Therefore, delete it by going to the Installed Plugins section. I'm going to delete everything else and keep the HostGator plugin. The plugins have all been deleted. Now to add plugins, click Add New from top. Now search for Elementor. Elementor is the go-to choice for web creators to craft top-notch personal and business websites easily. Install the plugin. I am going to upload the Pro version as well. Just click Activate. That's all we need. Now to install a theme, under Appearances, click Themes. This is the default WordPress theme, but I need Ocean WP. Click WordPress Themes from above. If you can't find in this tab, simply search. Install and activate it as well. Now let's set up our logo that we just created. For that, under Appearances, click Customize. Click Header tab. Now click Logo, and you'll find the option to upload your logo there. So let's upload. Once it's uploaded, click Select, and then crop the image to your desired size. Here you can see, logo is uploaded. It's a bit large, but don't worry, we'll make the header later, so for the time being, let's leave it as it is. Now let's set up site identity, so go double back, and click Site Identity tab. Since the site title, tagline, and logo have already been completed, I will now add the site icon. As you can see, it has been uploaded and will appear in the tab bar of the browser. Now simply click Publish. We need to add a page. From left sidebar, hover on Pages and click All Pages. Delete the pages that are already created. Now from top, click Add New Page. First, name your page. Then from the right sidebar, select Elementor's template type, and then simply click Publish. Now click Edit with Elementor button. This is the Navigator panel. Navigator is a navigation tree panel providing easy access to every element on the editor with just one click. The Navigator icon can always be accessed by clicking on this Navigator icon from the bottom left of the editor if you unintentionally close it. This is the main Elementor editor panel where all the widgets can be accessed. Now first let's configure some global settings. You can always configure these options by clicking on hamburger menu icon from the corner. Click Site Settings. Now click Global Colors. Global site settings create consistency across your website. So I am gonna add the theme colors first. As I plan to use these colors extensively throughout the website, it would be best to add global colors to avoid requiring you to manually enter color codes. Additionally, I'll show how to access this in the editor. Let's now also add global fonts. It saves a lot of your valuable time, so I would advise you to do the same. I am gonna select Carto as my primary font. "40 pixel size should be good, because I am gonna use it as heading. And for secondary font, I am gonna use Inter. I am gonna use it as text. Once you're done, click Update from bottom and go back to your editor. Now I have one container section. Click the section icon to open up its settings. Click Style tab, and I am gonna add some background color to it. I am going to add a heading widget now. This will be our hero section. Change the text. Go to Style tab, and apply styling, like font colors and stuff. Let's make it center aligned. Now go to Style tab again and click the globe icon in front of the typography. You can get to the global settings from here. Since I added the heading widget, I will choose primary. Allow me to quickly finish the styling. You are free to experiment as much as you like with the styling. Let's add some text below it. Let's change the text. Change the alignment. Then the colors. And at last, typography. Let's add a call to action button. Center align it. Change the text. Add a link. And in the Style tab, apply styling. One more thing, I am gonna apply padding, so for that, select your section. Go to Advanced tab, and add the padding. Now lastly, I am gonna add the image. To make the boundaries visible, I am gonna add some border shadow. You can do the same by going to the Style tab, and then by click Border Shadow. Much better. Although I'm creating the website the way I want it, you can always change the settings, fonts, and placements to suit your preferences. I'm just showing how to do stuff. And we're pretty much done with the hero section. Now I am gonna add one more section. And in that, I am gonna add the image widget. I'll use my site icon here. Go to the Style tab and let's reduce the size. This is perfect. Now let's add a heading widget. Make it center. And change your text. In the Style tab, change the text color, and then click the globe icon in front of typography to configure the global settings. Now instead of doing styling manually, what if you can copy the style of one item and paste it on the other? Well, this is possible. I am gonna right-click on the first heading, click Copy, and now onto the second heading, right-click and click Paste Style. It's that simple. Perfect. Let me add the custom line break tag real quick. Now I am gonna do the same for the text. I'm copying the text from above, and pasting it below my second heading. All I have to do now is change the text. I'm going to speed up a few steps right now to save your time. Simply I am gonna take one more section with 2 columns, and drag and drop the icon box widget. You can change the icon to what you want, customize the heading text, and followed by the description box. You can add a link if you want. In the Style tab, let's style. I am done with styling. Now instead of just dragging and dropping the icon box widget again and again, simply I am gonna copy and paste the widget in the other column. You can duplicate the columns, totally up to you. I copied the widgets. Let me add a few more icon boxes now, and I'll see you over there. Since I'm going to customize things my way, I'm going to speed up the process, but you are free to manage things on your own. Now all I did is change the heading colors, added padding, added some background color, and the border radius. Perfect. It looks good. Now let's finish our last section as well. For that, I am gonna take one section with 2 columns again, and in the Style tab, I'll add the background color. Perfect. Now in the left column, I am gonna add the image widget. Let me add the image real quick. And in the right column I'll add all the text. First, the heading. Let's add some text. I'll copy the styling from the above heading. Never mind, got to do it manually, lol. Let's make it white. Let's tweak some settings. Let's add the text now. Let me customize it real quick. Below the text, icon list widget should look good. Let's add it. Every widget is really easy to customize, that's why I only choose the Elementor page builder. Arrow icon is good. Let me add the text too. Now let's add the styling real quick. Play around with settings and choose that suits you the best. So far so good. Home page is all good. I have other pages created already, just need to import them, so let's do that as well. From left sidebar, under Tools, click Import. At the bottom, you can see WordPress, click Install Now underneath it. Now just simply click Run Importer. I have an XML file created for this purpose, I'll upload that file here. Just click Upload File and Import. I am gonna assign the admin role to this imported pages, so I can edit them easily. Now click Submit and all of your pages will now be imported. You see we have imported all of our pages. Now to create a menu, under Appearances, click Menus. Now first, name your menu. I am gonna name it Main Menu. Under Menu Settings, don't forget to check Main. Now click Create Menu. I can now see every page I have, and I can create menu by just selecting the pages. Once you've done selecting, click Add to Menu. Items added. Now I am gonna add 2 custom links. Click Custom Links from sidebar. I am gonna name one as Services. You can simply drag the items to adjust their positioning. Now I am gonna create another custom link, FAQs. Once you're done arranging your menu items, click Save Menu. And now we're officially ready to create a custom header. Okay, so now our menu items are also done. Let's create a header now. So for that, from left sidebar, under Templates click Theme Builder. I am gonna switch to table mode for a better view. Now click on Header tab. Click Add New Header. Name your header, and click Create Template. Alright. Now I am gonna add 2 columns. In the left one, I'll add the logo. Let's justify the contents to center. Click Logo, and in the Style tab, let's adjust the size. I am going to justify Contents Center for second column as well. In that column, I am gonna add the menu widget. It will automatically set the WordPress menu here. Adjust the column spacing if you like. Let's adjust sizing and the colors now. I've applied global settings here. Perfect. Now let's customize the hover pointer. I am gonna set it to none. Give it a hover color, and active color, and we're pretty much done. One more thing, let's change the typography for submenu. From the submenu tab, first change the typo. Let's add the box shadow. All done. To make it mobile responsive, click the responsive icon from the very bottom of the editor, and then select mobile device from the top admin bar, and it will open up the mobile setup. Here adjust the elements the way you want. For me, I am just gonna centralize the elements and I am good. Same way we created the header, let's add the footer as well. Simply name your template and click Create. It will open up the editor. I am gonna take 2 columns and add the side icon in first column. Let's adjust the sizing real quick. Let's now add text. In the second column, I am gonna add the heading. Let's adjust its sizing too. Now I am gonna add the icon list, and let's customize it. I'll link to these pages later. Now simply I am gonna duplicate the column and add the contact information here. And at the bottom, credits are necessary. Just like header, let's tweak some of the settings for mobile device. And we're officially done. From the top admin bar, click Site Status, and just turn off the Coming Soon mode, so people can visit our website publicly. Now let's see our website. So that was how you can build a website using Elementor. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.